lobse ting badi changai lobse di mingla kharela na ani cube and cube roots re ra ta thangbo cube and cube roots majang gengela nganzo cube di recapitulate chenda cube lana khande dojig la or ra tada cube lana nganzo geometry na jang re geometry na khar jang lana the cube re ra geometry na lang so in geometry we had learned cube like this ra the cube ki definition dikhala na it is a solid ra 3D figure in which all the sides are same ra dikhare 3D figure re 3 dimensional and side sama khare chikpa yoreler ting anso geometry na chang re tang anso algebra ki thola changwai na ni cube la na khala wala na if we talk about algebra ting anso geometry na chang re geometry na la ta algebra ki thola ke je shewai na cube la na khala wala na 3 times law ra algebra ki thola cube la na 3 times law ta pina chashan en ler cube of x ler x ki cube tang wai na ler nganzo ki ra ta mathematically algebra ki form la thiwai na x ki cube la ra ta x cube la na nganzo di distribute che samba khala hor la na x multiply x la ta cube ko se algebra ki thola cube la na khande dojig la hore geometry ki thola ke che shewa na remove ki thola nganzo ke shewa na and khala wala na cube la na tended chig la hor remove whose all sides are same ta cube of x chasa ta pina chashana example chig lewa na nganzo ra di the general form ra ta example pina chashana cube of 10 dolana khala wala 10 ki cube la ta number 10 multiply 3 times ra so 10 multiply by 10 ra is equals to 10 tens are 100 and 100 tens are khasu na and 1000 re so cube of 10 is 1000 gozu se di bado geometry ki nangla la cube khande chig la gore ani algebra ki thola cube khande chig la go ra okay ta nganzo khar ke shel na cube root ka ji ke shel da changma ya cube di gozu suna ani nganzo cube root digan ka ji deshe kya inda ta cube sa nganzo ta cube root ka ji ke shel wai na cube root la na khala wala na cube root of x to la na ani okay ta dikhare square root ka ji radical ra sin d square root ka ji ra ine cube root of x la na ya square root t and di chilo kha thila na number 3 this is the symbol of cube root of x ra ente thine digore yang na or you can write it as a x raised to the power 1 by 3 thine digor ra di ekala hola na cube root of x law ko se ta pen shashana cube root of pen shashana round example chikte hoy na kesi indite hoy na ta kesi cube root of 1000 dola na ra ta 1000 ki cube root ler so answer simple khande theore cube root of 1000 lan thira cube root of 1000 the cube root of 1000 ki cube root dikharla na number 10 chera reman okay so this is your cube root ra ko se cube la na simple cube means cube of x la sangi thanji so cube ki definition dikhala na product of a number multiplied by a number itself and multiplied by a number itself ra this is the simple definition of cube ko se ta nganzo ki next topic dikhala na any property of cube re the property of cube nanglo la nganzo ki khar chain la na any first 9 natural number ka cube here da we are going to find out first 9 natural number first 9 natural number की and first 9 natural number की cube first 9 natural number की cube तंगा इंदा Okay ta khaza nganzo square and square root nanglo la first 9 natural number ki square tang ra chikba chikya property of cube nanglo la nganzo khajere cube of first 9 natural number. So 1 ki cube, that means 1 multiply 1 ra. 2 ki cube, 2 multiply 2 ra. 3 ki cube ra. 4 ki cube, 3 multiply 3 multiply ra. 4 multiply 4 multiply. Okay, 5 ki cube do tang na, then we will write 5 multiply 5 and 5 ra. Okay, so 1 ki cube, 1 ones are 1 and again 1 ones are 1, so 1 cube is always 1. The 2 ki cube ta ni ki shi ni ki ke ra. Sum ki 3 ki cube, 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27 che. Okay, 4 ki cube dikhala na, 4 4s are 16 ra, and 16 4s are 64. Okay, next dikhala na nganzo 5 ki cube tang 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are and 100 khazul na and 125 lir. Cube of 5 ra. Okay, that's next number dikhala na 6 ki cube che, 7 ki cube, 8 ki cube, 9 ki cube ra. Okay, 6 ki cube di ra, 7 ki cube ra, 8 ki cube, 9 ki cube ra. Okay, 6 6 za 36 and 36 6 za hazul na 216 re. The 7 7s are 49 and if 49 7s are hazul na 343. 8 8 are 64 and 64 8s are hazul na and 512 ra. 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are and 729. Ding anzo shingwa cher ra. First 9 natural number ki cube dikhare ra. Okay, tang anzo kisi property of square la ta wai na anzo khar chela na ani first 9 natural number ki square tang ne anzo ki number chere number che and dig unit place la ta re ra. Chikpa chikyan kisi de la unit place ta wai na ani unit place ta khar kar lir ta. Pinchashana unit place ta wai na anzo la ani unit place 1 che ra. 1 lesa 2 lesa 3 lesa ra. 4 dwa 5 dwa. Okay, 6 da 7 dwa 8 dwa 9 dwa chazang da number chigne chine guba do chazang yor unit place la ine ya first 9 natural number ki square ta chamba manzo khar yorla na unit place la number khar yorla na khazang de la number 1 yore ra, number 1 yore, number 4 yore, and number 5 yore, and number 9 yore, and number 6 yore. Kisi number 1 4 5 9 6 yona and nganzo khazan de la kharla na and perfect square ni sir me sir ra. We are going to identify it ra. And kisi perfect square mena and unit place la khazan khare number khar yorla na and number mena lenda number khar yorla na and 2 3 and 7 8 lar. Kisi 2 3 7 8 unit place la yo na lar square root ka square ka ji nganzo immediately latur miktane hor latur the perfect square marelan ra. Kisi number 2 and 3 7 8 mena ani kisi mena and nganzo on the verified chair ra. Kisi first 9 natural number ki cube lata wai na nganzo 1 h 9 pat changma ta unit place ka ji ra kisha yo martela ra. Ta nganzo khar tayar lana dela khar observe chair lana odd number ka ji cube ta wai na lar. Kisi nganzo odd number ka ji cube tang wai na and nganzo answer the odd rangja li re lar ta nganzo ta end de la. Okay, 1 the odd number re ra. Ta 1 ki cube tang na 1 rangja re da cheza verify chasa. Ta 3 ki cube in da ta 3 the khare odd number ra. 3 ki cube tang chamba last la product khasule se 27 le sa 27 the khare odd chasa ra. nganzo khala se 5 ra 5 ta ra 5 the khare odd number re cheza 5 the ga chi khare odd number lir ra cube tang de chamba and 7 the cube number 7 ki cube tang chamba last la answer 343 lir on the odd number chesa and 9 the kare odd number re and 9 ki nganzo cube cube tang wai na nganzo product di 729 ra di nganzo aji khar chala na any product cube of odd number is always odd real the cube of odd number is always odd nganzo verify cheza na in chikpa chigya khar chere cube of an even number ta re ta number 2 dikhare even ra even number ki cube tang wai na 8 cheza chikpa chigya 4 ki cube ra even number of 64 6 ki cube 216 ra even number cheza chikpa chikya 8 ki cube 512 ra ta nganzo khari tar lana dela the property latta ne nganzo khar la thu lana any cube of ra nganzo khar la thu lana property latta ne nganzo not formula thienda ta not formula okay not formula khar thier lana nganzo thangbodi cube of odd number is always odd che ding anzo observe chamber property tani the cube of even number always even real ra ding anzo observe cher ra okay tang anzo kisi 1 ne 9 padu kangsa natural number din su ta chana anzo dijula kharta la na any dijula anzo dita and the numbers end with 0 means with 10 ra the numbers anzo ki ra topic dikhala na in numbers khare na numbers end with 10 ler tang anzo ta and the numbers which end with the 10 ler ra ta and the okay ta thangbo de la 10 in the 10 ki kisi cube tang wai na ra okay 10 ki cube tang na 10 multiply 10 ra tikazali lana 1000 lit ta 100 ki tang ai da nganzo 100 ki cube tang samba 100 multiply 100 okay ta nganzo 1000 ki tang ai da okay the numbers end with 10 ler ta nganzo delta and 10 ki cube dikazore 1000 100 ki cube dikazore lana number dile sa okay 1000 ki cube tang chamba diler ra ta dela lego hazul le lana te ta thangbo dela 10 ki cube tang sa lego hazudu chik ni so ra nganzo khar observe chelam dela 0 din so khazu dela na 3 or ler ta 100 ki cube tang chamba 0 thugler ni shi thug ra okay chikpa chikya 1000 ki cube tang chamba 0 hazul le lana 9 le ler ta 369 ra ta 369 and khalli re thandwe muth ni tang waina and khazuli lana 1000 ki jula 10000 tang waina and lego hazuli lana chungni lir ra and dolir 369 so multiple of 3 lir kesi lir numbers end with the 10 dela kesi last dela number di ani lego de so any multiple of 3 na ngonzo khar la thur lana and di khare perfect cube re len la thur ra gozu se multiple of 3 gaji kore lar pension 3 6 9 12 15 18 do ta 3 ki table nan le gora so kisi number end with the 10 ki any last la any 0 300 khare kisi 3 ki multiple le wai na dikha chele na anso perfect cube che re lar gozu se okay ta dh not form the na anso okay not form la anso khar chele na if the number ends with a 0 then count the number of zeros in the end kisi number di 0 nyam to end china and we are going to count the number of zeros in the end and the number of 0 count chere and if the number of 0 is not multiple of 3 kesi lar 0 then so any multiple of 3 mena and dikare perfect cube chhe mar ra kesi multiple of 3 na and then we can easily say that it is a perfect cube example chikle the penishashana anso Pinchashana for example. Pinchashana enter 14030500 lar. Okay, is this a perfect cube? Ra. Tang anzo perfect cube re de remi do tat sama anzo khar lare anzo khar lare note form nang lola. We are going to check the number of zeros at the end. So 0 dela ine the count chamber. We are only counting for the zeros in the end. So how many zeros are there in the end? Continuity. There are 2 zeros, right? So how many zeros are there? They are 2 zeros, right? So is 2 a multiple of 3? No. No. It is not a perfect cube. Because 2 is not multiple of 3. किसी 0 जो multiple of 3 ना जो perfect cube रे ला रे किसी multiple of 3 में ना that number will become not a perfect cube.